Joe's in his boxers. And look, everybody's passing by, watching Joe.
That guy was checking me out. Did you see that?
It is now about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we've been fishing. I don't know.
Oh, no. Sure. Any leakage of my shishi got chopped in my soup.
And let's see what we got here. Ooh.
Yep. Red on wet suits, so look at the back.